Okay, we have damaging winds right now in Staten Island. Right there, look at that. The siding is peeling off right now. We have damaging winds right now in Staten Island. About 50 to 60 mile an hour winds. Look at that siding that just almost tore off. We have damaging winds right now in Staten Island. Gust front has just come through. We have, oh my God, all this dust. Very strong winds right now. Right, the first drops of rain just started coming down. Very powerful gust front just came through. I was looking to the west, I'm like, wait, that looks kind of dusty in the head of the gust front too. Yeah. Very, very strong winds. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, this is a derecho. This is like a derecho right here. All right, I'm calling National Weather Service. This is getting really bad.